Elementor and Elementor Pro. And now I want to add a theme. So you have a page builder and you have a theme. A theme decides the header and the footer. But since Elementor Pro is already doing that, Elementor created a theme which is actually empty. So I can go to Appearance, Themes, and I can download that empty theme. Because if I take a look now at the front end, I go to Customize. There are quite some settings, colors, theme options that are based on this theme we have right now. And I don't need all this stuff. It's only interfering with Elementor Pro because Elementor Pro can do all this stuff. So we go back. I don't publish it. I go to the backend, to Appearance, Themes. I add a new theme and I search for Hello. The theme is called Hello Elementor. I install it. So it's really a lightweight theme. It has no settings. It's just an empty theme. And that makes your website faster. So since we have the theme active, I want to remove all the other themes. Theme details, delete. 2017, delete. And 2020, delete. Yes, only the hello theme. So now if we go to the website, it looks really empty. The title, the subtitle, and the archives.